Today we will demonstrate why engine maintenance is faster and easier when using Boss railcar movers. With the simple click of a button, the engine compartment opens and becomes easily accessible for your technician to perform scheduled maintenance or repairs. The ease of accessibility helps to reduce downtime and increase our customers' overall productivity and efficiency. With another click, the compartment panel lowers once again, shielding the engine from any harmful debris. And this is just one of the many features that make the Boss mobile railcar mover the most technologically advanced machine on the market. Please contact our sales team for more information at 816-378-0001 or by email at sales@bossrcm.com.